Banana, banana, na 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 na. Banana, na 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 na. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, na 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 na. Banana, na 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 na. Hey monkey, stomp the floor. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, hey yeah. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
And squeeze it to blend in the coloring even more. Check this out!
Wow, what a beautiful color!
The next slime is going to be blue. This time, we'll use a rolling pin. Perfect! This one is done too. Another piece for our mega slime. What color should we pick?
Purple!
I think it's a great choice. I'll make a small pit in the middle and pour some purple coloring inside. The better we mix it all together, the prettier color we get. Wow, look at this! Let's put all our slimes side by side. And let them set a bit.
Mel, why gradient? You see, I wanted to take part in your show, but I didn't have any ideas. Then I saw a dress with a gradient. It inspired me.
Great story. Now let's see what we've got. So nice to the touch. And on the other side? Ah, great! The colors have mixed wonderfully.
What's your verdict?
It's stretchy and very pretty.
Looks like a galaxy.
Let's do more tests. So wiggly.
But what is it gonna be?
We'll cut it and get colorful candy.
Guys, like this video if you think our candy heart is cool.
These are so cute and squishy. Let's mix them all together again.
Let's see what our jury has to say.
It's nice, but not great.
Awesome!
Oh, I wish I could part in that show. I've got an idea!
It's the first call today. Hello?
I dare you to create a slime semisphere.
Challenge accepted.
First, we'll need a bit of glue, a few drops of coloring, and glitter. And now, I'll mix it all together. The key is to spread it evenly. The next one will be red.
Sue, we've got no red glitter.
Oh, well, we can use pink. There we go. Carefully. Does it look pretty or what?
Here's one more bowl, Sue.
Great! This one's gonna be green. Wow, I really love this color. Well, we only need to wait for a while.
I think that's enough.
Okay, let's give it a try. Ah, so cool! Awesome!
They remind me of...
I know, little tables, right? Or they can be cool hats.
Wow! I look good, don't I?
No.
I kinda like them.
They're okay.
Oh, it's Sam's show today. I've got a perfect idea. I'll send him a letter.
Let's check our mail. We've got tons of letters from contestants. Cindy is asking to create a slime shaped like a donut.
Got it! What a cool idea! I know exactly what to do. Let's give this clay a donut shape. And color it. We can't do without glitter.
This is exciting. I feel chills.
Excuse me for a second. Oh yeah, I could really use this. Voila! Glitter magic! And even this is still not enough.
Sue, look! I've made a donut too!
And it's almost perfect, Sammy. But what if we slightly change its color? What do you say?
Looks like a marble!
I'm glad you like it. Okay, the shape is done. Now, some glaze. And some glitter too. And the final touch, donut sprinkles.
Those donuts look so real. I gotta check. Wow, so nice to the touch.
Great, it's time to squish them. Now, the other one. How about we mix them together?
I'm hungry now. Let's go grab some donuts later.
Deal.
The highest mark. Great ASMR.
Yeah, loved it.
I'm almost finished. Oh no. That's an idea. A winning idea.
Please, welcome our next guest. What's your idea?
Transparent slime with glitter.
Sounds exciting. Let's do this. We'll need water and some paint. Now, let's mix it all together. And add glitter.
Wow.
Next goes the glitter Ken has brought. This is our slime. Look like jelly. Oh, I'm so curious. I've never created anything like this before. What an amazing color.
So you're saying it can be the winner?
So unusual.
But we've got more contestants.
Hi all. Our idea is to make a color palette with different slimes.
Now, that's a tricky task, but I'll do my best.
I've brought a few new slimes. I thought you'd need them.
Wow, Sammy, they're so unusual. Thank you. You know what? Let's decorate the rest of them too. And now, we need to mix it all. We also need to make the covers. This is the size we need. See? It fits.
You woke up my baby, you little mouse.
Who you calling a mouse? I'm Inspector Clouseau.
Hey! Put that mouse, I mean that cat down!
We are sorry to wake your baby, Mrs. Ogre. Oh, we didn't mean to.
Princess Billy, what are you doing here?
Well, I came to get my throne back.
Which you took.
I'm so sorry, Princess. I was going to ask to borrow your throne, but nobody was awake, so I just took it.
There's a name for taking without asking. Stealing.
It's true, it was a bad thing to do, but it was an emergency.
Rockingham has been the only way to soothe him ever since someone stole his teddy bear.
His teddy was stolen?
Yes, sadly, his beloved bear.
Oh, that's one cute teddy with those emerald buttons.
Emeralds? Didn't we just see emeralds somewhere? Yes. Remember? Don't you wish you were us with our emerald wings? The twin princesses!
They must have stolen the teddy to make rings from his buttons.
Well, let's go get it back!
But Billy, the twins aren't the type to give things back when they're taken.
Except when they have no choice. Hey, Billy, have you come to drool over our new emerald rings? No, I came to ask you to return them to their rightful owner and the teddy bear that goes with them. What are you talking about? You can't prove that we stole them from the baby ogre. Antoinette! Well, it doesn't matter anyway. We're not giving them back. Yeah, so get out of here before we stick our meanest pandas on you. We thought you might say that. What are you gonna do? Play us a song for little babies? One last time. Are you going to return the bear and the emeralds? No. You asked for it. Make it stop! Do you want to hear the rest of the song? No!
May I present this gift for your baby from our Royal Highness, Princess Billy? Oh, how can I ever thank you?
Well, you can start by thanking me. After all, I'm Inspector.
Ah, you're right. Thank you so much, Mouse.
Mouse?
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy.